What's up YouTube? I'm For New Barber. I'm back with another haircut tutorial for you guys today. I'm sitting here watching it on my monitor and I'm gonna go ahead and coach you through it step by step. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my number 2 guard and I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna start cutting his hair down and get a nice even level. Your base is always a very important part of the haircut. So you wanna make sure you get a nice clean even base that you can go ahead and fade into. Okay, just going all around his head, make sure I get a nice even cut. When I'm cutting straight hair like this, I usually cut the hair against the grain, just to help you get a nice, more even cut. Now I'm gonna take my 1.5, and really right now I'm just gonna go through, I'm just gonna start to trim down those little hairs that are sticking up on top. So 1.5, you can start with the open, just to see what it cuts, and then just kind of adjust the lever as you go. But this is just helping me get a nice smooth, even top that I'm gonna fade into. You gotta be careful when you're cutting straight hair with the grain because it's easy to gap and create bald spots. Now I'm gonna take my magic clip and close it. I'm just gonna make my first guideline for my taper, and I'm just gonna work this lever up and start to blend it out. If you guys don't yet, make sure you get over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram. You see my Instagram name is right at the top left hand of the video. That's where you get all my updates, haircut pictures, video previews that are going to be coming out, etc. So like I said, with my magic clip, I'm just going to slowly continue to open the blade up. And I'm going just about all the way. I was about halfway right before this. So start with the closed, halfway, all the way. It's just a really easy fade method. And as I'm fading, you see as I start to fade the beard as well. While I'm at a certain level, just to save time, if you're gonna fade the beard in, you might as well, if you got your clippers halfway open, start to blend that beard down all the way open, go down, hit the next level in the beard to create that fade. And now I put my half guard on my wall detailer, or not detailers, my magic clips, and I'm just gonna go in and continue the same thing. I'm gonna close the blade, hit that first line, halfway, hit that second line, all the way. I'm just going to continue to work my way up. It's a repetitive method. It's really dummy proof, easy method to fade. Same thing on the beard. Follow the same exact steps I just did. I'm working my way up in the fade, I come down, and I'm working my way down on the beard. In this video, I'm not going to show the other side, so make sure when you get to the other side, you really pay attention to the hair growth pattern that is on the right side of the head. The hair growth pattern tends to change and kind of go backwards a little bit. So always, when you're fading, it's always important to find the direction of the hair growth, so that way you can achieve the results that you want. Same thing, one guard on right now. It was closed, now it's halfway. Continue to blend. I'm really being really light with this hair. I'm just feathering it. I'm not putting a lot of pressure. You don't see my client's head being pushed around by the clipper. When you're cutting straight hair, you really want to be pretty light-handed. Now all the way. And same exact method. Like I said, it's repetitive. Then I'm gonna move up to my 1.5 guard, and after my 1.5, I'm gonna move to my 2 to do the final blend into the top. And that's when it's all really gonna come together. So my 1.5 guard right now. And just continuing the same exact process, feathering the hair, really light-handed. If I wanted to, I could have the clipper in the palm of my hand, just kind of bouncing it, just like that. Like, that's how light I'm being with the hair. Now I got my my two guard on, and with the two guard, same exact steps. Closed all the way. And this, like I said, I'm just working this into the top of his head now, just to get that final blend. And like I said, I'm just gonna, continue the same steps on the other side. Really look for the direction that the hair grows. Same thing with the back. I'm gonna show you the back here in a second. Same exact techniques. For this haircut, I'm not changing anything up. As you can see, I already created my guideline right there with my magic clips closed, and just work them open. So right now I got them all the way open. Just working out that final line before I go and put my half guard on there, and then go in and start to blend out this line with the half guard. And so as you see, I'm not skipping a step. Like I said, I'm going step by step. No blade, no guard, half guard, one guard, 1.5, 2. That's really all fading is. It's not complicated. There are more complicated ways out there to fade, but with this, I really just kept it really simple. When it comes to fading, you really just have to be patient. Take your time. Don't skip a step. When you skip steps, that's when you got to go back and you got to find what takes what out. You really put yourself in a hole, get behind. And so just find a method that works for you, stick with it, perfect it, and just go from there. Now I got my one guard on. Same exact method. I'm just going to bring this all the way up. But yeah, with this haircut, that's really all there is to it. I'm just gonna let you guys just watch the rest of it. If you guys got questions, you already know, hit me up in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, hit me up on Instagram. I'll try to reply back to as many people as possible. But yeah, at this point, I'm just gonna let you finish watching the video. You're gonna see the before and after. I'm gonna use a little bit of enhancement. For enhancement, I'm gonna use Topic hair fibers. And for my holding spray, the Topic has got to be glued. So yeah, again, like I said, if you guys got questions, just let me know.